Do you have a Ridgid leaf blower or maybe a drill and the trigger died? Well, that's what happened to me. My Ridgid leaf blower trigger died. So I went on Amazon and I found this guy. And you know what? It worked. This is it right here. I did have to do a little bit of modification, but check out the video. So this was the T10 that I had there. We're taking apart our leaf blower. This is the Ridgid, what do we got here? R86043 18 volt. I really like this little mini dude. It's great. We're gonna grab a magnet tray. We're gonna open this up. And you know what? It might be nice to even have a headset on for some more light. Let's do that. More light, we're gonna pull this sucker apart. Rosie? Try it. The trigger's broken on this.
Oh, I know. Today you're blowing the thread.
Yeah?
No, the ground.
Yeah.
And Stewie wasn't even holding it and it was still going.
Something's broken.
So Rosie and I are just taking apart this leaf blower here. She's keep me busy. What do you say, Rose?
Yeah.
So let's see, can this fit here?
Is that a brand new one?
Yeah. So it looks like it fits. Right? So the question is if those go...
But did this goes up and down? It's hard. I can't push it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this over here so that if I want to
Does that
re-put it back together, I
you
can.
have to put it repack it together?
Hopefully not. Okay, that's that guy. It's down. I cut it off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these wires. We're gonna go with the smallest. I actually went with the second smallest, so 16 gauge there. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna go grab some heat shrink.
What's heat shrink?
I'm gonna show you.
That's
Okay, I got the heat shrink here. Lots. A previous Amazon purchase. So we gotta find, Rosie, a size. See how they come in different sizes?
Yeah.
That's way too big. This one's probably the right size, right? It has to slide over the wire. That black one would probably work right here too. Hey, those might work.
these might
These
work.
ones are way too... Make sure you can't touch that thing, remember? Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Okay, so... That's like way big. But
Try to put it on.
what if I cut it in half? See, those are a bit on the small side actually. Yeah, set the scissors in here. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, whoa, that's tiny. I might give myself a little more meat on that. So that's from the factory. They just, I mean, it'd be good if I was a really good solderer, but I'm not. Okay. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tape these guys. Cross them over. Let's zoom in a bit there. Okay, my back kills from leaning over. I don't know how people do that. I want to test this without getting killed. So if this went into here, my thought is that would clip in like that. Okay, it works. And this is an LED. Cool. Okay, let's finish soldering this off. We gotta figure out what we're gonna do with that LED too. Okay, so we got that all put together. It's looking good. Now we're just gonna finish it off there. I just threw the LED in the bottom there. And I should mention, I clipped the top of the trigger right there. The safety won't work anymore. That's fine. Okay, we're gonna screw this back together. See all these screws? Dad had to take them out. Okay, you can help me out?
Not like full speed, like.
Yeah, just a little bit. Okay, ready? Guys in there. Good. Go. More. Yep, right there. Okay, hold it. Right here. Good. Okay.
This might take us not that many minutes, right?
Not very minutes.
Yeah, you just have to swivel it. That's it, right?
That's right. Here. This one.
And choke.
You hold the drill. Okay. Okay, not too fast. Remember, we're going slow. This one right here. Oh. More. Okay, stop. Okay, we get them all? Yep. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is this guy.
Oh, Dad, you said he just has to swivel. Oh, you don't. And he just has to go.
We just lost the end, go. Yep. Where'd the end go? You had it.
No, I didn't. Yeah, I had it, but it would like it got. I think it got stuck on one of the swivels. I feel like it got stuck on one of the swivels. Oh, it's there. So it got stuck on one of those swivels.
Do the next one. Okay.
Oh, it's done.
Okay, this one.
Which one? Oh, one.
Okay. This one. Okay, now we're gonna put this guy in. So this lines up. You see how it's kind of like there's a flat side and a round side, and that has a flat and a round side?
Do you have to screw in this one? Where do you have to screw?
You gotta screw this down. You get the other drill? Right beside you go.
This one? You saw? Oh. Wait, can I screw that?
Phillips. This one you gotta go slow too, okay? Go. Oh, stop, son. You gotta hit the switch. See, that one says backwards. That one says forward.
I don't know about the only thing I don't know about them are switches. But I know these ones were the black, but I don't know the ones where they're like that color.
Okay, so now we're gonna put this guy on. Okay. And I gotta get.
Now it looks like I want one of those.
Can you get that tool again, go? Do this right here. No, not that one. The other one. Okay. Right here. There. Okay. Right here. Okay. And right here. Oh, now it stopped. Okay. Okay, looks like we're up and running. We're gonna put this in. Oh, can you put this drill down? So that's in. Okay, you get to try first since the new trigger works. So it's a little bit slow to spool down. And our LED, it's lighting up the back. So what do you think? Did we fix it? Give me 5. Alright, so that is a wrap. So that means that this trigger that we got off of Amazon works to replace this trigger. The safety part doesn't work with this safety part, but so yeah, I just cut that off. But other than that, the trigger works. So that's good. Yeah, this one got jammed. Doesn't work anymore. That's cool, hey?
Wait, Dad.
Okay, so we'll leave a link to that in the description below if you need to fix your Ridgid leaf blower, or for that matter, one of your drills. It's the same trigger. Well, almost the same trigger. All right, follow along, and I'm no soldering expert, as you can see. Thanks, Gil. What do you say?
6.